Hello, beautiful people. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mix It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. I am here to present the line dance Happy Feeling. The song is I Feel Good. The artist is Mary J. Blige, and the choreography is STARLISA of Detroit. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you would like to learn this dance and you want to watch the step-by-step instructions, watch till the end of this video and I'll post it here. Also, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.lmiunola.com. And here we go.
Stepping out tonight with my people.
Make sure you check out the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website at www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.